In this video, we're going to have a look at the Facebook Messenger marketing app called Mobile Monkey. Recently, Facebook has been focusing on building out their Messenger platform, and you'll see it more and more often that the Messenger app is jumping up and taking over Facebook pages when you visit them. You may also see Facebook Messenger pop up on websites like this. And when somebody decides to engage with Messenger, they may click Chat Now, and instantaneously a message might show up. The whole idea of Messenger chatbots is to give a business the opportunity to engage with a visitor to their website or their Facebook page or a single post on Facebook and be able to answer their questions and guide them toward an answer to any of those questions. So here's an example of a chatbot that we've put on our website where you can learn about some of the different services we offer. In this case, we'll go ahead and look at Messenger marketing, and it's going to give our visitor a little bit of information, maybe answer what a chatbot is, or give some examples of chatbots. And in this case, we have a few different examples for a pizza restaurant or a B2B lead generation, or in this case, a car repair. And if you're interested, you can either watch the demo video or go ahead and get a quote. And so we'll go ahead and ask for some information from our visitor. Now you'll see that it automatically populates, and I've blurred this out, but populates the Facebook registered email address to be able to verify that address. And then you can also do the same thing with phone numbers if they are entered into Facebook as well. Now, all of this is managed by using an app that you can actually program to guide visitors through a series of steps or questions, or guide them to an answer to what they may be visiting your website or your Facebook page, or even have commented on a post inside of Facebook to get more information about something. So this is a tool that I use called Mobile Monkey. This is a pro version of the tool, but you can also get a free version of the tool that has slighter limitations, but certainly a great value to be able to add to your marketing arsenal nonetheless. So here you can see this is the welcome page that you saw on our website. If somebody inadvertently types something that the bot doesn't understand, there's kind of a default answer. There's a main menu, and then there's a series of different things that you can build out depending on the direction somebody wants to go, the questions they may have, etc. So here you can see it's a fairly straightforward, simple series of questions, and then once I have somebody who has reached the point of wanting to know more, I can actually have the software email me by sending me some information that it's gathered when it was interacting with them. And then I can, or I have a staff member, follow up with them the next day, or jump onto the Facebook chat and answer them in real time. There's a number of different ways that we can pursue this through the next step. Now, my team and I build these bots for our clients and integrate them into their email follow-up systems, into their overall marketing funnels. But if you want to just dive in and play around with this, you can go over to Mobile Monkey and set up a free account and actually get inside and start building a new chatbot. So here's one of our test pages on Facebook. We'll go ahead and call this we'll call it Charlie. And we're going to build it from scratch, although there are some templates that are built in to Mobile Monkey that you can utilize. Different industries like real estate or a survey or a lead generation, e-com, beauty salon, auto repair, dentistry. If you're a gym, a restaurant, a personal trainer, if you want to run a contest, a marketing agency, or a podcast template. But in this case, we're just going to build from scratch. We'll go ahead and create the bot. And you'll see that it's going to guide you through just the sample pieces that you're going to have to fill in. Now, if you have a free version of Mobile Monkey, you will see in the main menu that there is a powered by Mobile Monkey that people will be able to see if they were to click on the main menu. But aside from that, people really will not know what you're using in terms of a tool to have this function all happening. Another thing I really love about this is it's a very simple, straightforward, easy builder. So you can see there are kind of a whole bunch of things up here at the top. whether you want to insert text or insert an image, a form that you're going to have completed, a quick question, a GIF or a GIF, depending on how you like to pronounce that. You can easily do a search for one of those and then have that embedded. And then there's other pieces as well, attachments, attributes, do connections. A connection would be required to upgrade to the paid version in order to connect it with a calendar or to an email marketing tool. In fact, let's go back to that so you can see some of the options of what the connections are. So, to be able to schedule chat blasts in the future, if you want to, be able to do something to all of the people who have quote unquote subscribed to your chatbot, to be able to export those contacts to a CSV file or to an external database, to be able to create a comment guard so that when people type a keyword or anything on an individual post, that the bot will automatically engage with them and start a conversation. And then, of course, to remove the Powered by Mobile Monkey branding as well. So those are some of the things that you might consider an upgrade if you want to take advantage of. But as I said, it's a fairly powerful tool even without the upgrade. You can send an email directly to yourself or to a client if you like to be able to follow up after somebody has completed a form. That's another good example of how you can utilize this. Let's see what else we have. So build out a gallery where you can, just like I was showing you earlier, where we had the different examples of bots, you could show several different products, for example, or events that you may be promoting. You can run lists of different things. And let's see. Have to stop clicking on those. To be able to navigate, you can put navigation in there. You can show it typing, so as if it were kind of really having a conversation, you could show it's typing an answer for a second or two before it actually populates. That's a very popular thing to do. And then, of course, you can insert a video as well, so that people can see a video right inside of their Messenger chat. Now, Mobile Monkey offers a few different pricing plans. You could either do a marketer individual plan for a single page or an agency plan. The marketer plan is the one that gives the free option. And if you look at it, most of the things that are included in the professional bot are also included here. Now, the exceptions are the ability to schedule blasts to your entire subscriber list. So what is a subscriber? Well, anytime somebody engages with your bot and goes back and forth in a conversation, they are added to a list that you can then follow up with in the future. Also doing a sort of drip sequence or drip campaign, following up with them with multiple chat blasts, and then integrating into different tools as well. These are not available, as well as bot analytics. In the free version, you would need to upgrade to a paid version to be able to utilize the platform or these particular aspects of the platform. When it comes to integrations, you can integrate into Zapier, which is a tool, if you're not familiar with it, that integrates tools across the web. There are now hundreds and hundreds of different tools. Actually, it says here, search 1,000 plus apps. So things like email autoresponders, or if you want to integrate it with a webinar platform or any number of other things, you have the ability to do that through integration. Again, that is a paid feature that you're not going to find in the free version, and so it's worth upgrading to be able to take advantage of that. So if you're interested in setting up a Mobile Monkey free account, head on over to baermktg.com/mm and go ahead and set up your free Mobile Monkey account to test it out and see if it's a good fit for you and your business when it comes to automated Facebook Messenger marketing.